adolescence age and even you entered in the teen. It means, as per the psychology, if you understand, this is the age where you will always want what in your life? Role. You want role. Every time you will thinking that I should get this position, I should do this, so that people should see me. You understood that? That's the reason every time you will have like lot of competitive spirit among you all. But the problem is one thing, which I said the last time also, which you all have to practice. Taking the role is very important. But more than that, what is very important? Who are you? Every teen child must know that who are you. What the first question comes? What's the first question comes? Who are you? If you did not identify who are you, then can you do anything? If I ask what is the meaning of who are you, what answer you will give? You will tell your identity of your address, of your mom, of your dad, of your school. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you as a Samia? Who are you as a Mehdi? Who are you as a Ananya? Who are you as a Kartik? Who are you? Who am I? This question you should ask, who am I? What is my identity? Why I came? And what I will do? And how I will die? Write down these questions, which is very important. It's very important. First is what? Who am I? Repeat after me. Who am I? The second question is what? Why did I come on this planet? What is the question second? There are so many living beings. Animals are there, plants are there. You became a human being. What is the purpose of your life being a human being? That will define the second question. Why did you come on this planet? Did you come for the survival? Eating, sleeping, having a partner, giving the birth to the child. This is a basic. There is a very famous psychologist whose name is Maslow. What is the name of that person? Maslow. He has told 5 things a human being should practice to become the genius on this planet. The first is in that survival. The first step comes survival. For the survival, what is there? Eating, sleeping, then obviously having a family, that's it. Someone has achieved that. It means you got the food, you got the family, and you're going to live in normal place and normal life. Then the second step is what? As per the Maslow, the person should try for safety. It means should have the house. You will think that next, your parents will be thinking, I should have a house, I should have the security. They will think about the safety and security. If someone got the safety and security also, what is the third? Any idea? First, any idea? What should be the third? Money already, the safety, security, it will come. What is the education? All will come with that. Anything? Self-esteem. What will come? Now the person has moved, and what the person is thinking, I should have some in the society. Any normal person will think about the self-esteem. I should have some name in the society. No, they won't think. Till the time they have not met all these 3 steps, then only they will come to the self-esteem. And the very highest one is self-actuation. Means what? You will become that person where you will understand why did you come to this planet? What is your role? What you wanted to give back to the universe? Because as a human being you got this life. You don't know now after your death where you will go. So why I am asking you questions? Only one question. Being at your team, you should understand who am I? What is the question? Who am I? Then all the problem is, what is the problem is that you are unable to study, you are unable to focus, you are disturbed. So many questions will be around you. The reason is you did not understand who are you. And the second thing is, why did you come? You came to become the doctor, you came here to become teacher, you came here to become engineer, scientist and all. This is what you are like? No. Why God has sent you? There are thousands, lakhs, crores of doctors, engineers. Why you? What you will do being a doctor? What you will do as a human being? That has to be connected. For an example, If someone is a doctor, can you tell me any 5 doctor name on this planet? We don't know. But when I ask, can you tell me any scientist name? Can you tell me? Why like that? Because they have found the purpose. If they are not even living for them, they discovered. They given back to the world. That's the reason. Remember, in the scientist name is very easy. Correct or not? They did. They discovered. They gave back. They understood the purpose of their life. Why not in our fields we are seeing more? Lagging is there. Philosopher names we know. Scientist name we know. Teacher's name we know. Why teacher's name we know? The reason is famous teacher. Can you tell about our country? Chanakya. We will celebrate the Teachers' Day also now. Who is the name? Yeah. Why we know that name? Because they are also giving back. They are fighting for the education. They are fighting for the right of the students. So much of things. So understand why did you come to the world. The first question is what? Who am I? And the second question should define your dream and what you will give back. Got it? And the third thing to achieve this both, when you will understand who are you. Who are you? First a human being now? And this body is your only you? No. If you are not there with me, it's supposed to be Ritvik is not there with me. But when the Ritvik comes, something will go in my mind as a picture. Correct? His body is there in front of me? No, I am visualizing. It means what? You are the soul. What you are? You are the soul. You are the light. That light will come in my mind. Oh, Ritvik is like this. Understood? So who am I has to connect with your virtue. Virtue means not value I am talking. How you will become that person which will add with the quality. Your quality doesn't matter. Very, 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 very important. So please, every student of teenage, if you are working, trust me, if you all are working on this, who am I? Why did you come? And what the quality has to define you. Your life, whole life, you won't be having any problem. Because you will understand what is life and who are you. So this is very important for everyone. Then only we can go for the next what we should do to just reach your goal, how to meet your expectation. What is the thing about first question only you don't know. You don't know how to step on the first step and you are thinking that you will reach the 10th step. No. Might be you will reach, but you will reach with the frustration, depression, fight, anger, jealousy. What is the need of that? The person becomes supposed to be someone has become head boy, head girl, but feeling very time depressed, stress, jealousy. What is the need of that role which is not serving your happiness and others' happiness also? Understood what the meaning of that? If you will understand the purpose, who are you and how it should connect with your dream. And that dream should not serve you. That dream has to serve so many people when they are there with you and after you when you are leaving. Am I clear to every one of you? So this is my task. Everyone have to write down. And next Saturday when I am meeting, I will be Thursday. Then I should see that how you have identified these 3 questions. What is the first question? Who am I? Who am I? The second question is? Why did I come to the universe? And third is virtues. Your virtues, your quality, your characteristics. All these things I wanted to see to make you. Then you will understand. Your photo you keep and make a flow chart. You will imagine already 13 years you crossed without understanding yourself, without understanding why you came, and now you are carried again. That mistake you are doing. Now let us just stop this mistake. Because no one will teach all this thing. You need to understand if you got this question right now and then also you are not defining that, then what you will do on this planet I can't help. No one can help you. After knowing the secret questions, in these questions only, so many holy books have been written. Veda, Bhagavad Gita, Bible and Quran, these all the holy books are around that. Buddhism, Gautam Buddha taught only about the virtues. He taught about the 8 folds. 8 folds is what? Right intention, right speech. Even if you know, no, we don't do the real life education. what? Real education will make you understand. Try to collect as much as real education. I said every one of you, find out your one role model to whom you find around you. You feel like that, you have one guts, no, I should be like that person, somewhere something is there. And one role model like whom in the future you wanted to serve. Understood? These two clarity you all should have. Please understand this thing, okay? Then only you can do something wonder on this planet as a human being. Understood? So shall we start right now the session of the debate?